Do you know anything about growing anything?
Brian, look at me. Look at me. Do you think I know a daggone thing about growing anything? Though I was a 4-H'er, my expertise was not in growing, okay? There's plenty of soil in the pot.
There's plenty of soil in the pot.
Yeah.
What's it feel like?
It's probably really rich. It feels rich. How does that sound?
And so we're checking for like moisture content, kind of to make sure we're okay. And so when you put your finger in there, is it too wet? Is it just right, or is it dry?
I would say it's dry. Okay.
Okay. So we'll need add some water there when we get going there. Out your seeds.
Looks like I got about 8.
We're going to put 2 seeds in there.
Okay. So I'm putting 2 seeds in. Okay.
All right. Now here's how deep you put them. So you can put them too deep or you can put them too shallow. So the rule of thumb is 4 times the diameter of the seed.
I've got it, I think. Okay.
Did you put them together or did you space them apart?
I spaced them apart a little bit.
About your thumb's length between them?
Yeah, I follow instructions well.
So the key to growing these tomatoes is soil, water, and sun. Now,
okay.
So the main thing that is important is the heat of the soil. So seeds need 60 degrees of soil temperature to germinate. So the ideal situation is if you can put it in a good warm place under some kind of fluorescent light or something that will keep that soil warm.
Okay, I can do that. I actually have a pantry with fluorescent lights in it, so I'll do that, okay? You know something? We have a tomato. Hey, I've got 2 of them, as a matter of fact. Look at that.
Yeah, no, I was worried it may be a lost cause. I was really concerned, but I'm impressed. I really am.
Oh, good. Now what do I do?
It looks like the plants are outgrowing their pot there. So one thing we have to do is we need to get those repotted. You need something that's about a 5-gallon capacity. So,
5-gallon capacity?
Yep. Something that will give you 12 to 14 inches of depth. It looked like there were 2 tomatoes in there.
Yeah, there are 2. See? Wait a second. Get it right.
There you go. So you need 2 containers that are 5-gallon capacity and some potting soil that'll fill those. And those containers need some holes in the bottom. So what you'll do is you'll get your container and you'll fill that full of potting soil. And you'll gently pull those 2 tomatoes out of that container you have
So I have to pull them out by the roots?
You just don't grab them by the stems and pull them out. Okay. Kind of gently take your hand and hold the stems and gently work that pot and the soil out kind of upside down and pull it out gently. And then you'll have them there.
Okay.
And then you'll divide them.
Okay.
So gently divide those, dig a hole, you'll bury them, and you can bury them just a little bit deeper than they were originally. See, that's the neat thing about a tomato is it will root all the way up the stem.
Okay, I've got that. I better write that down.
So here's the thing. You're kind of like all the citizens in West Virginia. It seems like there's been a renewed interest in growing their own food here lately.
Well, I think it's a very good thing. I really do. Then if I can do it, I hope everyone in West Virginia will use our great extension program leaders and give this thing a try. Let's grow, Mountaineers.